Welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. Today I am going to tell you about the iRobot Roomba vacuum cleaner. Here I am presenting 3 best iRobot Roomba vacuum cleaner. So let's start it. The first one is iRobot Roomba 675 robot vacuum with dual mode virtual valve battery compatible with Roomba. Stage cleaning system loosen, lift and suction dirt, dust and hair from hard floor and carpet. Dual multi-surface brushes work together to grab dust, dirt and large debris. The auto-adjust cleaning head automatically adapts its height to effectively clean both carpet and hard floor. One pack dual mode virtually valve batteries give you greater control over where your robot cleans. Virtually valve mode keep your robot in the room you want to clean and out of the one you want. Proscenic 850T Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum cleaner. With the Alexa and Google Home, you can control the robot vacuum by voice command. With the Proscenic Home app, you can make cleaning plans, change cleaning modes, start or stop cleaning from anywhere, etc. The remote control also supports the scheduling function. The Proscenic 850T robot vacuum cleaner has a very strong suction power. Strong suction power of 3000 PA can easily vacuum all the dust, hair and garbages. With the 3 adjustable levels, the robot vacuum can meet your various requirements. The vacuum robot comes with a large dust container of 500 ml so that you do not have to remove the garbages often. There is also a 300 ml electric water tank with a 280 ml dust container. 850T offers 3 cleaning modes: vacuum, mop, vacuum and mop. At the same time, with the electric water tank, you can adjust the amount of water according to your need. Real-time positioning and an apartmental plan can help the robot vacuum to determine its own position and then drive through a S-wave cleaning routes around your houses. High quality cleaning. The magnetic tape allows you to block an area or an entire room where the robotic vacuum cleaner should not enter, which can prevent the machine into the restricted area to break some fragile furniture. The last one is iRobot Roomba 690 robot vacuum Wi-Fi connectivity. Sleek premium design complements your home decor. Include one dual mode virtual allow batteries from remote control over where your robot cleans. The 3 stages cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes pick up everything from small particles to large debris. Patented door detach sensor alert Roomba to work harder on concentrated areas of dirt such as high traffic zone of your home. Full suite of intelligent sensors tied to the robot under and around furniture to help thoroughly clean your floors. Clean and schedule from anywhere with the iRobot Home app. Compatibility with the Ozone, Alexa and the Google Assistant. Mobile devices compatibility soft version iPhone, JAWS 11 or higher Android, OS 5.0 or higher. Runs for up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. If you have any query about this product, so click the given below link. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.